everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Laudiaann Silvis, and in front of you, you are looking at my YouTube channel, and I want to talk about what this video is about. First of all, my channel is to help you grow and to help to inspire you, to motivate you. Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel. I have a playlist that talks about YouTube channel. Maybe you want to do more about other things on the computer, and my channel will talk about creating ebooks. If you've never created ebooks and you want to sell ebooks, I actually have a few places where you can actually get your very own software, no monthly charge, and you can get started right away selling your own ebooks, creating your own ebooks. I also talk about the mindset, your growth mindset, fixed mindset. What are the difference between them two? I have videos of how to grow and build your confidence within yourself, and I'm here to inspire you. That's what my channel is about. I'm here to help you. That's the reason why you should subscribe to my channel. If you love my videos and if you like the things that I talk about, then do subscribe to my channel. I do upload from time to time. Usually I'm very faithful, I'm very persistent uploading videos. For a while I was kind of like slow uploading my videos because I also do craft shows, and so I can only do so much. I am a vendor, I'm a craft vendor, and I do sell amigurumi dolls. I create my own inventory doing that, and so that takes a lot of my time. And if you want to click into my other channel, it's called Crochet with Coach Laudiaann. That's another channel. You can actually look it underneath below this description of this channel, and it will connect you to my other channels. I also want to share with you, I created my son a YouTube channel, and I'm going to share that with you right now. So I'm going to scroll down, and we're going to go way in the bottom, and his name is Anthony. This is my son's channel. You can also subscribe to his channel. I encourage you guys to subscribe to his channel if you love his videos. And, but I'm gonna go there and right now see if I can click on his. Okay, now this is his channel that I have created. I actually made his YouTube art channel, and I helped him upload his videos. Now he's made more videos than me. I think he's uploaded a few more. My son has a mental illness. He has schizophrenia. His rap includes how he's dealing with his schizophrenia. To me, he's doing a great job. He talks about focusing on God, because God is his hope. There's a reason why God made him the way he is. I have listened to some of them. They're very inspiring, and I know it's going to help a lot of the people that can relate with him, that has schizophrenia, and it's actually going to help them overcome every obstacle. My son is very strong and willed, and he loves the Lord. He talks about do what's in me, what needs to be said, life for Christ or not, rescue and worship, let life matter. Something to tell, true life, repentance and revolution, connect to God, heaven or hell, condition of your soul. Did you figure it all out? Stop sleeping too much, afraid of hell. You know, these videos are very inspiring. If you're going through some kind of a mental issue, my son can help you how to overcome. Let me tell you a little story about him. I raised all my kids in a church, and my son always stayed in church with me, never went to children's church, and I would question him at the age of 8 or 9. He would never go to children's church, and this is what he said: I don't want to go to children's church. He says, I want to be a pastor, I want to be an evangelist, I want to listen to what the pastor has to say. And so, you know, he's always loved the Lord. He's never lost heart, even through the trials he's been through schizophrenia. My son is very strong in his faith, and he's always been strong in his faith, but he's very quiet, very reserved. and he doesn't share it with everybody. Since the years that he's lived with me, he has changed a lot. He's writing his own raps, and he's, you know, he's doing his own thing. What he can do to help this world. This world is so dying. They need Jesus, and everybody needs to know God. So he speaks this message out to you, and I hope that he will inspire you. All right, everyone, I thank you for watching my video again, and please subscribe to his channel or listen to his video if you're going through some kind of type of mental issues. And I hope that this channel will help you stay strong. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to my channel. The reason why you should, because my channel is to inspire you, to help you grow and be a better you, and to have a better mindset, have better values, and be emotionally positive at all times. So this is my life story, and I share with you my positive things, what I do, and maybe it will inspire you to create your own YouTube channel where you can talk about you and talk about yourself. All right, so at the end of this video, please watch my suggested videos in every video that you watch, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.